Google Pixel 8 Pro is out now, and we finally get the Pixel 8 Pro battery life, and you guys might be surprised to see how well it performs in the battery test, and also the heating issue is no longer an issue on Pixel 8 Pro. But before I will share the actual numbers, Pixel 8 Pro is here with a slightly bigger battery of 5050 mAh, a 50 mAh more than the last year. Also, Tensor Gen 3 efficiency is really good compared to its predecessor. PBK Review has performed the battery drain tests, and after getting battery numbers from a channel, we've actually checked both Pixel 7 Pro and Pixel 6 Pro battery numbers, and you guys would be surprised upon testing Pixel 8 Pro on gaming. For only 15 minutes, it only dropped about 4% of the battery. Now here's the real calculation. Pixel 7 Pro lasted on gaming for about 4 hours and 11 minutes, and Pixel 6 Pro lasted about 5 hours and 16 minutes. Now you can easily tell how long will the Pixel 8 Pro last. While as per numbers, Pixel 8 Pro will last about 6 hours and 25 minutes, more than 2 hours compared to the Pixel 7 Pro, and about an hour more than the 6 Pro. The numbers won't change much after an update. I have more numbers about the heating issues. Upon testing on 4K video recording for 15 minutes, it only dropped about 4% of the battery, but this is not interesting. If you look back to the Pixel 7 Pro, it was terrible as it gets heat up after recording for only 10 minutes. And we have to shut down the recording, and the battery drain is about 11% after 31 minutes, and it is only on pictures, not video. So the difference is big, and the temperature on Pixel 8 Pro is under control at 39.7 degrees. Now here comes some interesting part where I saw some weird numbers on Pixel 7 Pro in a 3D stress test for 20 minutes. Pixel 8 Pro gone down from 91% to 82%, a 9% battery drop on Pixel 8 Pro, and a temperature of about 43.9 degrees. Compared to Pixel 7 Pro, which was at 46.6 degrees, but the battery life on the Pixel 7 Pro only dropped about 6%, which is a bit weird. Although there is a guy who tested the same test on Pixel 6 Pro, and it performs the same as Pixel 8 Pro, which means we can see similar battery numbers in the stress test. But thing to notice, after all the new software updates on Pixel 8 Pro, you can count on Pixel 8 Pro means it will perform better than the Pixel 7 Pro. I already shared the numbers. There's no heating issues on the Pixel 8 Pro, at least from these new benchmarks, but don't expect this to compete with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. We all know it is way better. Anyhow, guys, this is a great device, and definitely it brings some massive improvement in Pixel 8 Pro as compared to its predecessor. Let me know your thoughts in comments section below. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.